Most people think you need to be rich to start investing. They think you need $50,000 or $100,000 to make a difference. But the truth is, the most important $1,000 you will ever invest is your first one. In 2026, with inflation rising and the economy shifting, leaving your money in a standard bank account is a guaranteed way to lose purchasing power. But if you take that same $1,000 and plant it in the right assets, you aren't just saving money, you're buying your future peace. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn that $1,000 into a wealth building. No fluff, no get-rich-quick schemes. Before we put your money into the market, we have to talk about the foundation. Investing without a plan is just gambling. First, do you have high-interest debt? If you're carrying a balance on a credit card with a 22% interest rate, you are mathematically losing. Paying off that debt is a guaranteed 22% return on your investment. It is the smartest move you can make. Second, the emergency fund. Life happens. Your car breaks down or you have a medical bill. Keep at least 1 month of expenses in a high-yield savings account before moving forward. Once your backup is ready, we build wealth. Now, let's talk about where that $1,000 goes. Many beginners make the mistake of trying to find the next Tesla or Apple. For your first $1,000, you want diversification. This is where ETFs or exchange-traded funds come in. Specifically, an S&P 500 index. Funds like REAL or SPY, you are instantly becoming the owner of the 500 largest companies in America. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year on average. Leave your money there and let it compound. But where you hold those investments is just as important. In the USA, the Roth IRA is your best friend. With a Roth IRA, you invest after tax money, and everything it earns is 100% tax-free when you withdraw it in retirement. If your $1,000 grows to $20,000 over 30 years, keep every penny. The government doesn't touch it. Platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab make opening these accounts incredibly easy. The secret to wealth is time. That $1,000 is a seed. If you add just $50 or $100 every month, the numbers become staggering. This is called the compound interest effect. It's slow at first, like a snowball rolling down a hill, but by the end, it's unstoppable. Your first $1,000 is the hardest to save, but it's the one that starts the clock. The second best time to invest is later. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more 2026 strategies. Comment below, what's stopping you from investing? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.